guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we make a cute rickshaw. Let's start. First, the curved top cover of the rickshaw. Now draw a rear tire. Now draw a mirror for rear view. Now draw a front tire. Now complete the back wheel. Now complete front wheel. Now draw a passenger seat. Now draw a driver's seat. Now draw a handlebar. Now draw a windshield. Pink color. Hey friends, wait for the surprise at the end. Dark pink color. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Dark green color. Gray color. Blue color. Brown color. Sea blue. Dark pink crayon. Orange crayon. Yellow crayon. Green crayon. Blue crayon. Purple crayon. Blue color. Red color. Dark green color. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wow, our drawing is looking so beautiful.